Would you buy this? This is the 2027 Kia Sportage, and Kia gave this facelift a much more confident face. The previous Sportage was already bold, with those wild boomerang-style lights. But this one? It looks cleaner, wider, and honestly, more grown up. Up front, the new grille and bumper make it look tougher, while the Star Map LED signature gives it that latest Kia family look. It actually has a little bit of EV9 energy from the front. Moving around the side, the shape is still recognizably Sportage, but the redesigned profile, sharper details, and fresh wheel designs give it a more premium stance. And at the back, the updated lights and cleaner bumper finish the job nicely. So no, Kia didn't reinvent the Sportage, they just made it look like it got promoted. Bigger presence, cleaner design, and much less trying too hard. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, because this is where the new Sportage really starts to feel like a proper upgrade. First impression? The cabin feels much cleaner, more modern, and definitely more premium than the previous version. This new two-spoke steering wheel is one of the first things you notice. It has a simple design, but it actually looks really good. It gives the interior a more expensive feel straight away. And the buttons are placed nicely too. You have your cruise control, driving assistance, media, phone controls, and everything is right where your thumbs naturally sit. Which is great, because nobody wants to study the steering wheel before driving home. Right behind it, you get this curved digital setup. A 12.3-inch driver display and a 12.3-inch infotainment screen flowing into one clean panel. It looks much more modern than the old Sportage. The screen is sharp, easy to read, and it brings navigation, media, camera views, and vehicle settings closer to the driver. And I like this detail here. The lower touch panel can switch between climate controls and navigation shortcuts. So instead of adding 100 buttons everywhere, Kia gives you a cleaner solution. Now look at the center console. You have storage space, cup holders, charging areas, drive mode controls, and the gear selector placed neatly in the middle. Everything feels easy to reach, without making the cabin feel crowded. The materials are also better than before. You have soft touch areas where your hands naturally go, cleaner trim around the console, and on GT line models, that black and white interior theme with leatherette and suede style materials.